entrepreneurial.
On average, 3,000 children were sacrificed and trafficked last year as a result of child stealing, abduction and kidnap missing children in districts of Kampala, Mukono, Wakiso, Masaka, among others. It's against this background that Champions Child Care Ministries, in partnership with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, with other stakeholders, hold the Hope International Conference annually to devise means on how best child sacrifice and human trafficking can be dealt with in Uganda and world over.
Who survived and has inspired our gathering here today. She survived and has inspired for us to come together to bring hope and discuss on issues that affect children, especially child sacrifice and trafficking. And with the will in this room, in this community, we will bring that to an end.
The Hope International Conference was graced by the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Thomas Tayebwa, who commended the various stakeholders in the fight against child sacrifice and human trafficking for the job well done.
The judiciary, you have been very clear on these cases. You have been uncompromising on these cases. And of course, it's because of the evidence placed by police and the DPP. No, it's barbaric. There is no way, to me, there is no way you can say you are doing this because you want to get rich. Why not use the money you're using people who are going to waylay this child? You know, you even put aside money to bribe the system. We need to teach people more that you earn money through hard work, through integrity, through keeping your part of the bargain.
Tayebwa also highlighted on the legal framework set up by the Parliament to curb on such vices.
We believe we've put in place a legal regime that would support all efforts. The Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act 2009, the Prevention and Prohibition of Human Sacrifice Act 2021. Of course, we have the Penal Code Act, and recently the Human Organ Donation and Transport Act 2022, where you know that through a regulated mechanism, someone can give you an organ if you need it.
In her remarks, the keynote speaker, Ms. Georgie Campbell, said there is need for collective efforts among people and government to prevent crimes of child sacrifice and human trafficking, since they affect the well-being of the public.
These crimes are harmful and damaging to the moral sense of a community. And justice must demand that a penal provision or a law is enacted to match the needs of the public to safeguard its morality. Child sacrifice is illegal because it constitutes the unlawful death of another person. Child trafficking is also criminal. It involves the exploitation of children that leads to death or a life at risk.
The Director of Public Prosecutions, late Justice Jane Francis Abodo, promised adequate action towards the perpetrators of such actions.
Because we don't want them to come and reoffend. So that's why we are looking at the justice system. They're all chain that we are looking at, from police, where these people, actually we start from the community. That's why we partner with NGOs, so that they engage the communities and tell them this is what child trafficking looks like.
In attendance were judges, advocates, investigators, security operatives, among others. The Hope International Conference, held under the theme, Reach Every Victim of Child Sacrifice and Trafficking, Leave No One Behind, will be concluded with a gala under a theme, Healing the Scars, where various stakeholders will be awarded for the exquisite work done in the fight against human sacrifice and child trafficking. Rebecca Nantongo, Susan Nabugude, UBC News.